In the April edition of Northern Wilds, I talked about the impacts of friendship on our lives, some of the trends that we're seeing around friendship in the U.S., and then also the stories that we tell ourselves that can either help or harm our ability to make connections with others.
Oh, this is a rich topic here. This is rich. Okay,
yeah.
So let's talk a little bit about the trends you're seeing and other people are seeing happening here in the U.S.
We know that having both friends and acquaintances protects our health in really powerful ways. But unfortunately, surveys in this country show that just since 2010, the amount of time that we spend with friends has taken a nosedive. In the 2010s, we were averaging about 6.5 hours a week with friends. Starting in the 2020s, though, we're now less than 3 hours a week.
I wonder how much COVID had to do with that, or just how much we are zeroing in on our phones and our screens.
It would be easy to jump right to COVID as an explanation, but we can see that that things were actually shifting well before then. And there's some examples of this. For instance, social media. That began to pick up steam in the early 2000s, and when that happened, people began to replace in-person relationships with online ones. Think back to the 2010s when streaming became a thing, right? And suddenly we could watch whatever we wanted for as long as we wanted. In 2012, smartphones, the use of those really shot up. And then suddenly we had practically unlimited ability to plug into the internet. Then add on top of those things other things that have changed in that people, they work long hours and some of them have long commutes, right? There are fewer and fewer what they call third space community gatherings.
So not your place, my place, a neutral place, if you will.
The third place, exactly. Parents don't have a lot of support, and we're seeing a decrease in participation in civic groups, in labor unions, in faith organizations. So combine all of those things, and the upshot is that we are spending more and more time in front of screens and less time building in-person relationships.